Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking at the factory design pattern. The factory design pattern is a creational pattern that provides an interface for creating objects in a superclass, but allow the subclasses to alter the type of objects that will be created. Now let's consider this scenario. Suppose we have a framework that can generate different document formats, and the client decides what type of document to be created. Let's see how we can implement this in our S code. Now, the first thing we do is to declare a superclass, an interface. So to do that, we use the keyword protocol, and then this can be any name. So I want to call this document. Now let me provide a method inside here. We call it create document. Now let's create some subclasses that will implement how the document will be created. So let me say class. Let me call this PDF document. And then extend our protocol document. So now we have to implement that the protocol which we extended. So I can say func create document, and then in here let me just print something to the console. Say creating PDF document. Let's also create another class that extend another subclass that extends our interface. Say class. Let's call this PNG document, and then I will extend the document, extend document. Again, let's implement the function create document, and as well I want to print say creating PNG document. Now we've created two subclasses that implements the interface, our superclass protocol. So the actual implementation of this is actually as just like the definition said, was carried out in the subclasses. So now let's just instantiate one of these classes. Let PDF be assigned to PDF document. Then I can just call PDF dot create document. Let's see what this gives to us. So we can see that the PDF was created, and this gives us a lot of flexibility. For example, when we are doing dependency injection, for example, we can create our framework or classes using this protocol, and then at the point of invoking or create or using that class, we can start passing in the actual implementation of the class, which makes it very easy to easily update, add new features as well. So thank you guys. This is the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.